In make and break harbor, the boats are so few. Too many are pulled up and rotten. Most houses stand empty, all nets hung to dry. Blown away, lost and forgotten. How still lies the bay in the bright western air, which blows from the crimson horizon. Once more we'll tack home with a dry empty hold, saving gas with the breezes so fair. She's a kindly Cape Islander, old but still sound, but she's lost in the long night of shadow. Make and break do, but the fish are so few that you won't be replaced should you founder. So hard not to think of before the big war, when the cod was so cheap but so plenty. Foreign trawlers go by now, their long-seeing eyes looking old, where we seldom take any. And the young folks don't stay with the fisherman's way. Long ago they all moved to the city, and the ones left behind now tired and blind, and work for a pound or a penny. In make and break harbor, the boats are so few. Too many are pulled up and rotten. Most houses stand empty, all nets hung to dry. Blown away, lost and forgotten. I can see the big draggers have stirred up the bay, leaving logs the pot smashed on the bottom. Can't they think it don't pay now to respect the old ways that make and break men have not forgotten? For we still keep a time to the tune of the tide on this boat that I built with my father. Still lifts to the sky, the one longer, and I still talk like old friends on the water. In make and break harbor, the boats are so few. Too many are pulled up and rotten. Most houses stand empty, all nets hung to dry. Blown away, lost and forgotten. Most houses stand empty, all nets hung